Are you him, bro?
Yeah, I am.
Hey, you got your own question.
Yeah.
It's your question, your swing, bro.
No, what the?
Down by 3, 2 to go.
Oh, good. I'll get a hole in one. Guys, we're at KDV Sport playing par 3 9 holes. Come join us. Watch me smoke my dad.
Oh, this guy, bro. Not gonna happen.
Yeah, it is.
Right, kia ora team. Put up a poll the other day of just questions that we can answer. So we're gonna answer those questions while we're out here playing this little 9-hole pitch and putt. And my son's gonna try his best to read them. Honey.
Didn't make the hole in one. I was close. How has AI trading affected your day to day?
I don't actually AI trade. It's funny because a lot of people think that I AI trade because of the name Ambitious Investing and it's like all AI, but I don't. It's just all manual trading. It's the AI strategy, which is the business strategy. So never AI. Like we're using market AI, but that's still just like a tool to be better at trading, but no AI trading. Oh, sit. Yeah, sit.
I reckon I'm going to beat him by 5. Yeah. I reckon I'm going to get a hole in one and he's going to give me $800.
That's big. That's big for the program.
How long did it take for you to start making big bank?
Start making big bank, right? Like 3 years when I started making big money. So I started like 2020. In 2023, that's when I made 110K in one day. And that was sort of like the start of me making big money. Now it's sort of, I mean, it's big money, but it's normal now. Toparangi, what is it, 115?
Yeah.
Can't get it there. No water.
Favourite strategy to trade?
Well, my strategy, it's sort of like I sort of learned a lot of different stuff through my learnings, and yeah, so I've sort of just adapted everything, put it into one, and sort of understand the market my way. So the strategy that I teach everyone is the same strategy that I use daily. It's not like from other people. So it's the AI strategy, baby.
Next question is by Cuzzy Tricks.
I already know this one.
Are you buying me a Skyline?
Cuz. You just got to jump on and learn how to trade, cousin. Then you can buy your own. Then you can buy your own Skyline. Good to go.
I don't think that.
Sit. Sit.
Come.
Oh, not bad. Oh no, bro. Bro.
Ooh, that was online. That was online to the hole. Nice, got it. Uh-oh, we might get a hole in one.
Oh, that hit the flag.
No, it didn't.
Did you not hear it? Water. In the piss. It's crazy. Like in New Zealand, we say, oh, it's in the water or in the drink. Over here, playing with Aussies, they're like, oh, it's in the piss.
How many years have you been trading and did you start off profitable?
Started in 2020, trading. Was I profitable? Nah. I lost like 50 grand in my first year. Everyone starts off like that. If you're thinking you're gonna come into it and just be profitable, not gonna happen. Just gotta stick out the rough parts, carry on.
Oh, sit! Stop!
You first because you're far away.
At least I beat you with your own club. Bruh.
Wow, it's hard to judge though. Yeah.
Ah.
How's all that?
Make sure I'm doing it for Dad.
Nice little bump.
What
Meow,
the?
meow,
Who got on the
meow,
game?
meow.
Who got on the game before you?
Meow, meow.
Uh-oh, that might go on. Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Meow.
Cutting
What did you just get? 5?
Yeah.
Unlucky. Oh no!
What did you just get? What the?
See, you should have just used yours.
Do you use
Strats.
strats on crypto?
Do you use your strats on cryptos and stocks? I mean, I don't necessarily trade like stocks in crypto, but you can definitely use the strategy for anything. Like the strategy that I teach people is how to read the market properly, not like strategies that other people have.
Meow, 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 meow.
Brother!
You're lucky.
You're losing by 1 if you don't make that, just so you know. Are you him, bro?
Yeah, I am.
Hey. Oh, short. Oh, that's on, gee.
Is scalp trading that profitable?
Yeah, scalp trading is profitable. The best trader in the world is a scalp trader. Like, there's got to be money to be made there. I think the thing with scalp trading is everyone thinks it's more so like gambling because they're not using like a proper strategy. But if you understand how the market moves and can trade off microstructure, easy.
I got my own question after.
You should question your swing, bro.
No, what the? This is crazy. He's cheating. Go, keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
I'm gonna ask my own question for Dad. When can I make my own money?
Make your own money.
Yeah.
Brother, you got to do chores, boy.
Oh.
This guy.
Don't talk back in my backswing, okay, Dad? What hole is this? Sit. Bro, this ball hates me, eh?
Not bad. It's not bad.
Oh, this game.
Don't let it get to your head, son.
Bro, at least I don't duff my shots on the course. Yes!
Let's go for 6.
What are you heading for?
3.
Oh, better not miss him.
Ah, down by 3, 2 to go.
Oh good, I'll get a hole in one. When I win a chicken dinner in the wrong hole. Woo! In the hole.
No, you're capping now.
Oh, in the water. What is your handicap?
What's my handicap? Oh, here's my handicap.
Bro,
No, I think at the moment I'm playing off like a 10-ish. Needs to be fucking 1.
oh, I might get a hole in one. Oh, in the water. Damn it!
Hey,
Yeah.
good game though. Safe, I'm safe on that one, out the water.
You.
Bruh. Oh, roll.
So close, Dad. So close. Told you. That side spin. Money. For my 7th
Sky.
shot, I need to tap the center.
There's a tap in, you reckon? Wesley Bryan.
Yeah. Oh.
Yuck.
Okay, last question. What would you tell someone just starting out that needs to make this work?
But you gotta do education. Education is like the key to profitable trading. If you don't understand what you're doing, what you're looking at, how the market's gonna move, why it's moving, then you've literally like no idea what you're doing pretty much. You gotta have the knowledge to be able to make the trade and have confidence in what it's gonna do. So just education.
Go learn at school, like me.
So who won?
I think Randy won. I definitely lost.